the U.S. now has more than 85,000 cases, the death toll rising to 1,300, as the White House looks for ways to reopen the economy without putting more Americans at risk.
The United States is working with our friends and partners around the world to stop the spread of the virus and coordinate our efforts. We will be using the data to update existing guidance on social distancing.
The president's made it clear that, in his words, he wants to open the country up, but we're going to do that responsibly.
We have Fox team coverage for you this morning. Chris Wallace standing by. Chad Pergram reporting from Capitol Hill, where there's a lot of action this morning. But we begin with Chief White House correspondent John Roberts reporting live from the North Lawn this morning. Hey, John.
Sandra, good morning to you. And as the House prepares for a vote on the fiscal stimulus bill, the president this morning, in just the last hour, taking a blowtorch to the Republican congressman from Kentucky, Thomas Massie, who is threatening to hold up this bill. The president tweeting, quote, "Looks like a third-rate grandstander," named Representative Thomas Massie, a congressman, unfortunately a truly great state, Kentucky, wants to vote against the new Save Our Workers bill in Congress. He just wants the publicity. He can't stop it, only delay, which is both dangerous and costly. Workers and small businesses need money now in order to survive. The virus wasn't their fault. It is hell dealing with the Dems. Had to give up some stupid things in order to get the big picture done. 90% great, win back the House, but throw Massie out of the Republican Party. President leaving no doubt as to how he feels this morning. 15 days to slow the virus that the president came out with expires on Monday. The president will be hearing recommendations from the coronavirus task force this weekend on how to proceed. While it may be possible to modify the guidelines for some counties that are at low risk, it will likely have to be renewed for most places. We're still a couple of weeks away from Easter Sunday, the day that the president would like to begin to reopen the country. The White House, though, now calling that a, quote, aspirational target. It really is a moving target more than anything. But the president again saying the country can't stay closed for business for an extended period of time. Listen here.
We have to get back to work. Our people want to work. They want to go back. They have to go back. And we're going to be talking about dates. We're going to be talking with a lot of great professionals. But this is a country that was built on getting it done. And our people want to go back to work. I'm hearing it loud and clear from everybody.
It's likely that major urban areas like New York City will be slower getting back up and running. The infection rate there is still 1 in 1,000 people, and there are some concerning indications in other places now. Listen to Dr. Deborah Birx.
We are concerned about certain counties that look like they're having a more rapid increase. When you look at Wayne County in Michigan and you look at Cook County in Chicago. So we have integrated all of our information to not only look at where the cases are today, but how they're moving.
The president spoke yesterday with G20 leaders and again last night with Xi Jinping of China. China had some success in pushing back the virus. The president tweeting this morning, quote, "Just finished a very good conversation with President Xi of China, discussed in great detail the coronavirus that's ravaging large parts of our planet. China has been through much and has developed a strong understanding of the virus. We are working closely together. Much respect." An interesting piece of news, Sandra, yesterday from Dr. Anthony Fauci, who said that this time around with the vaccine, the government is planning to pair with pharmaceutical companies so that if they get the promise that a vaccine is working, they will spool up production so that when the tests are completed, if it's found that the vaccine is effective, they will have a stock of vaccine that they can push immediately out to the public. Another thing, the president said yesterday that he's likely to go to Norfolk tomorrow to send off the U.S. naval ship Comfort, USNS Comfort, as it departs for New York City from Norfolk tomorrow. Sandra?
John Roberts on all of that from the White House for us this morning. John, thank you.